Guys, welcome to the garage. Today we are going to get some work done on actually a Volkswagen Touareg TDI. And what we have to do is put some diesel exhaust fluid in this thing. We've got the announcement on the dashboard that if we don't change it within about the next 250 miles, the engine will not start. And so the diesel exhaust fluid has to go in before we get to that point. It's actually pretty simple, and I'm going to show you how. So we're actually going to put diesel exhaust fluid inside of this thing, and it actually goes underneath inside the trunk here. So we're going to open this up, and underneath here is where we're going to go. You'll actually see it in this little section here. So now we're going to get the fluid into the tank over here, and it's really pretty straightforward. I mean, you just simply open this stuff up. It comes with a nozzle right here. We're going to pop this on out. All right, you guys, and that is it. We're all filled up. In fact, what's pretty wild, this one was almost completely empty, and it took almost 5 gallons of diesel exhaust fluid to fill this tank up. But the good news is we're good for several thousands of miles to go now before we have to mess with this thing again. So if you have a diesel vehicle, you can change out your own DEF. Do it yourself, save some money. You don't have to get it done at the shop. Just buy this stuff over at the auto parts store and have at it, all right? Double check your owner's manual just to make sure that yours works, if it works a little bit differently than this one does. Now, that said, I appreciate you watching. If you like what you saw, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button right there. And you can always follow me on Facebook and Twitter and on Instagram at TheJohnHammer. I'll see you next time right here in the garage.